Let's talk about cats for a second. Do you have a cat at home? Cats love to be petted. I have a cat. I used to have a cat. Well, he ran away. But cats love human company a lot. They love to lie on your stomach for you to rub them on their fur. They just love it. Do you have a cat that you rub? Cats are very proud animals. They love their space. They love to sleep wherever they want. And they are very clean animals. They wash their face every time. Cats. Nobody can resist cats. Everybody wants to pat the cats whenever they get in the house, whenever it's in the office. Because the cats love to play too. Cats enjoy when human beings play with them because they love throwing their paws around. And even when they sleep, they give this cute, nice, slow purr sound. It's cute, right? And do you have a cat that makes that meow sound whenever it's looking at you and wants some milk? It's cute, right? It's too cute. And cats, they sleep anywhere, from under the table to inside a bowl that's full of money or paper, like a small fish. Cats are strange. They fit in the most awkward spaces. Cats are also very curious. They get curious about people, about children, about fish, about anything, about flies, about their tail. What is the name of your favorite cat? Or what pet do you have if it's not a cat? Is it a dog? Is it a small cow?